Hello everyone. Today I am talk about hardware drivers and how they interact with the operating system. Basically, we are going to look at the secret sauce that allows our software to actually move on our hardware. So what is driver? Think of it as a bridge. On one side you have the operating system and on other side you have the physical hardware. The driver is the software that connects them. Without it, your computer would just a box of parts that doesn't know how to work together. Now about translator analogy. A great way to understand this is to think of a translator. Imagine the operating system only speaks English, but your printer only speaks French. They can't understand each other. The driver is the person standing in the middle who translates the English commands from operating system into French instruction the printer can follow. Now let's talk about why do we need drivers. We need them because the operating system can't be an expert on everything. So there are millions of different devices out there. Instead of making the operating system huge and complicated, we use drivers so the operating system can stay general. The driver handles all the specific technical heavy lifting for each individual device. Now let's talk about kernel mode versus user mode. This is about safety. User mode is like the lobby of a building. It's where your apps run and it's very safe. But kernel mode is the high security vault. Drivers usually live here because they need full power to talk to the hardware. The downside, if the driver crashes the vault, it takes the whole building down to a blue screen of death. Now we are going to talk about type of device drivers. Not all drivers are the same. You have generic ones, which are the basic built into Windows so your mouse works right away. Then you have manufacturer drivers, which is you download for things like high-ending game cards to get full power. And finally, virtual drivers, which are just softwares pretending to be hardware, like when you print to PDF. Here you can see the diagram how a print request happens. So let's look at real example like printing. When you click print in the Word, the operating system doesn't talk to the printer, it talks to the driver. The driver converts those pixels on your screen into commands for the printer's motors and ink. Only then does the hardware actually start moving. Now I'm talking about plug and play. We have all heard of plug and play. In the old days, you had to manually set up every device. Now, the operating system is very smart. The moment you plug something in, the operating system can detect. So finds the right driver automatically and configures in it the background. It's why you can use a new webcam in 5 seconds. And now I'm talking about managing drivers. It's like device manager. If you ever have a hardware problem, you go to the device manager. This is like the control center. It shows you every part of your PC. If you see a yellow warning sign, you know a driver is broken. From here you can update them to fix bugs or roll back to an older version if a new update causes glitches. And this is my presentation, and thank you so much. To wrap up, drivers are essential middlemen. They keep the operating system safe, keep the hardware working, and make our lives easy through the automation. So thank you so much for the listening and have a nice day.